We have another interesting video for you today. We will be showing you how to create and manage knowledge base in ZOHO Desk. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon so you don't miss any update.
With time, you may accumulate base of knowledge with frequently asked questions and answers to them, or tips to agents on how to solve certain issues. To create and manage a knowledge base in ZOHO Desk, click the relevant tab. First thing you will be introduced to is articles that have already been added. If you click on Manage Base, Knowledge Base, you will be able to customize how your articles are displayed and organize categories. You may want to create a new category or edit the existing one. Let's say I want to add two subsections to already existing section 2. I click on section 2 and add subsection. After a new section is created, it is possible to add an article in it. To do this, just click on plus icon in the right-hand top corner. Add a title, article body, optimize the article for search engines, and choose the relevant category for it. Next step is to choose whether you want an article to be seen by agents only, registered users, or all users. Add tags and set up expiry date if needed. Desk also allows you to import an article. You may publish it or save as a draft.
We hope that was helpful. What other videos would you like us to record? Let us know in the comments below. Help us grow our community by hitting like and subscribe and sharing this video to people you know. Do you have questions or clarifications? Send them our way at knowhow@customerization.ca.